So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Heluuur, and you guys, in this video I'm going to show you this hand painted nail design, some butterflies, some old English lettering. This is a nail design that my client came with from a picture from Instagram, Pinterest. I'm going to do my best to see if I can find the nail artist who did this nail design, so I can tag her. And thank you, girl, for your inspiration. I think they came out beautiful. I will do my best to find her. I will put her in the description box below if I can find her. And yeah, don't forget to go on my social media accounts, show me some love, and then let's get right into it. So guys, before we get into the video, I just want to show you guys some products that I've got from Madam Glam. Thank you so much for Madam Glam to sending me these products, these beautiful gel polishes. I like the smell of the gel polishes and also the consistency. It's really thick, so you can also easily paint with them on your nails. On this nail design, I'm using this light blue gel polish. I'm showing you like a pink nudish color. Love it. And as you can see, you only need one coat of this color, and also the blue, I only used one coat on the nail design. And I'm also going to show you guys like a yellowy peachy pastel kind of color. And I've also received some a top coat and a base coat, and also a mini lamp. I will put everything of these products in the description box below for you guys, so you guys can go and check them out if you want. And I've also got a discount code for you guys. I will put it in the description box below, so you can go and save some coins. So yeah, let's dig right into the video. So I've already prepped the nails. I've got the cute old skin around the cuticles off. I've applied a thin layer of clear acrylic, and now I'm going to use, this is the Cover Bear from Young Nails. I'm going to use this color on the whole entire nail. And you guys, I'm not going to speed up the process of the nail design, because you guys seems to love the application, and some of you guys seems to love the filing. So I'm not going to speed up this video. I'm just going so you guys can see and enjoy and relax while watching my videos. You know, grab some popcorn or something to eat, popcorn, or let's do a healthy snack. Go and make some some vegetables, because I'm on a healthy lifestyle now, because summer is just around the corner and your girl's body needs to be on point. So I'm working on my body, I'm working out, I'm eating healthy, or I'm trying. So yeah, so go ahead and grab you some healthy snacks to join my health journey. But I'm just going to stop talking and just let you guys enjoy this part. Okay guys, so this is how the nails look after application. And now I'm going to use this new pearl that I'm trying out, because I told you guys that I'm going to do some nail kit on my website of a nail bit kit on my website that are my favorite bits. And I'm really working to make this beginner friendly, So I'm trying the safety barrel out. It's a medium grit, just the same grit that I always use, but it doesn't have like a sharp edge. It has a safety, it's a safety bit, so it will not cut your client easily, because it's round at the top of the barrel. So yeah, I like it, I love it, and I'm just trying it out to see if I can come with this one on my website, or if I just have to keep trying some things out. But now I'm going and file the nails and just enjoy. You guys enjoy the filing. Okay, so now I'm using this triangle ceramic triangle cuticle bit that I'm using at the cuticle area. This is also really beginner friendly because you cannot cut your client easily with this one. You don't have to press hard. I've also used this one in my previous video, and I just love it. I just love it. If you didn't see my previous video yet, go ahead and go and watch my video when you're done watching this video. And yeah, I'm just going into the cuticle area. Be gentle because the cuticle area is a sensitive area and we don't want to damage the cuticle area or your natural nail around the cuticle area. So yeah, next I'm going in with my hand file to perfect the shape as always. And you guys, if you're still here watching, let me know by commenting a blue hearted emoji so I know that you're still here watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you. Thank you. So now I'm spraying some alcohol to clean the nails. I'm using a manicure brush to get all the excess dust from the nails and also around the cuticle area. And when I'm done, I'm going to use our painting gel. You guys, I know I'm saying this for like a long time now, but it will be online soon. I promise. Because of COVID, everything has delay and I'm so pissed, but you know, we have to stay positive. So I hope, or at least this is my, I hope, let me say, I hope that at the end of this month, I mean, at the end of May, we can launch. So I think we can launch at the end of May. If everything goes like it's going now and as planned, I hope that we can launch at the end of May. So just a little bit more, just a little bit more patience, you guys. Please, please, please forgive me, but you know, I'm doing my best, and unfortunately, not everything is um, in my hands. I would love that everything was in my hands, but you know, We are depending also on the manufacturers. So yeah, thank you so much for your patience once again and for your motivation. I just love you guys so much. And I'm using the liner from the gel bottle to make this have butterfly. It's pretty easy to do actually. I didn't expect it to be this easy, and I love it. It's so beautiful. You can also try to do this with some white gel polish and just rub some pigment in it, um, some neon pigments, and then top coat it. I think I'm going to do that in. I'm going to do. Oh my god! I just got an idea. I'm going to make a butterfly with pigments, like a ombre pigment. Yeah, yeah, that's a good idea. I'm just going to make a video for you guys when I'm going to do that. I'm just have to see which of my clients I can convince to do that, so I can make a video for you guys. But yeah, I'm not going to flash cure the nails. I'm just going all over with all the designs on all the nails. If you think that you want to flash cure it because you are afraid to just mess it up with your fingers or anything, just flash cure it for like 30 seconds or 10 seconds, and then you can go on the next nails. But I'm not going to flash cure it because our painting gel is so thick, so it will not run or leak or anything to destroy your nail design. So yeah, I'm just going in on all the nails, the 5 nails, and then I'm going in under my lamp. And now I'm going to paint a old English lettering on this nail. And yeah, I just saw a picture of a old letter on the internet and just try to make my best to um, make it the same on the nail. Okay, so after I'm done with the nail design, I've cured the gel under the lamp for 1 minute, and when I'm done curing the gel, I'm going in with my top coat and cure that also for 1 minute under my lamp. I've applied some cuticle oil, and you guys, this is the final result. Love it so much. It's something new. I'm just so into painting on nails lately. Love it so much. I really hope you guys have learned something in this video. I really hope you guys have liked this video. If you have liked it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe if you're still watching and you're not subscribed yet. Thank you so much, and thank you so much you guys for your patience on waiting on my products, but they will be online soon. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.